Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to start 2026 with some extra income, this video is going to be a game changer for you. Today, I want to talk about TELUS International and their January hiring season, which is officially here, and why you don't want to miss this opportunity. Now, first off, if you've been following online work opportunities, you probably know that TELUS International, also called TELUS Digital, is one of the most trusted companies for remote work, AI projects, and customer experience roles. They hire people from around the world for positions like AI raters, data annotators, content moderators, and customer support. And the best part? Many of these roles don't require previous experience, making them perfect for beginners. So why is January so special? Well, this is the peak hiring season. Companies like TELUS open new projects and budgets at the start of the year, and they need fresh talent to handle increased workloads. That means more job openings, faster responses, and better chances to get hired quickly. People who wait until later in the year often miss out, so applying now is key. Now, let us talk about the one role you absolutely want to focus on during this hiring season, the Rater Search Evaluator position. This is one of the most beginner-friendly positions TELUS hires for. Why? Because it doesn't require any special degrees or experience. All you need is good English skills, attention to detail, and the ability to follow guidelines. You'll be reviewing search results, rating content, or annotating data for AI and machine learning projects. It's a perfect entry point into the world of online remote work. Here's the thing. AI and data-related projects are filling fast, especially during January. People who apply early get the first spots, and sometimes projects close before the month ends. So, if you're serious about starting this role, you need to act immediately. Don't wait for a week or two. The early do catch the worm here. Let's break down what you need to do to apply successfully. First, make sure you're applying from your real country, because TELUS requires accurate location info. Using VPNs or fake locations is a fast track to account rejection, so stick to the rules. Second, prepare a basic resume highlighting your skills, even if it's just your attention to detail, English proficiency, and computer literacy. This will help you stand out. Next, focus on the assessment tests. TELUS assessments are simple, but accuracy matters more than speed. Take your time, read instructions carefully, and follow the rules exactly. Many people fail because they rush or ignore the instructions. Remember, this is your chance to impress from day one. Once you pass, you can expect to start working within a few weeks. The pay for beginner roles like AI rater usually ranges from $12 to $15 per hour if you re in the US, and it varies slightly in other countries. Payments are reliable and usually done via PayPal or bank transfer, depending on your location. Just make sure your account is verified and matches your TELUS profile. Another bonus is the flexibility. Many projects allow you to choose your working hours, which is perfect if you want to work part-time or alongside other commitments. And even better, this is entry-level work. So it's a great way to gain experience that can lead to higher-paying roles in the future, like project management, content moderation leadership, or advanced AI annotation positions. Now, I want to emphasize something very important. The January hiring season is short. If you delay, the projects may fill up, and you'll be back waiting for the next big opportunity, which might not come until August or later. That's why it's critical to prepare everything now. Update your email, have a verified PayPal or bank account ready, and make sure your documents are accurate. If you want to maximize your chances, here's a small checklist. Apply immediately for the AI rater role. Ensure your profile info is correct and consistent. Prepare for the assessment carefully. Read all instructions and practice logic and attention exercises if possible. Avoid VPNs or proxies. Follow the rules to the letter. Stay patient and consistent. Some assessments or approvals take a few weeks. For those who act fast, this role is one of the easiest ways to start earning online legitimately. You don't need fancy certifications or prior experience. You just need focus, accuracy, and patience. So, in conclusion, The January hiring season at TELUS International is live, and the AI Rater Search Evaluator role is your best entry point. Apply now, follow the instructions carefully, and start 2026 with a legitimate online income. Don't wait. These positions fill fast, and the sooner you act, the sooner you start earning. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because I'll be posting more videos on how to land high-demand remote jobs, pass assessments, and maximize your earnings. All right, that's it for today. Good luck with your applications, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, the early applicant catches the opportunity. Act now.